There are hundreds of bulldozers in this world, but do you know which one of these is the most superior? It is, without a doubt, the Caterpillar D11. This highly developed dozer is a marvel of modern engineering and blows its competition out of the water. Want to know what's so special about this beast of a machine? The D11 measures in at a length of 34 feet, 6 inches, a width of 11 feet, 10 inches, and a height of 15 feet, 6 inches. It's the third largest and most efficient dozer in the world and weighs more than twice as much as an M-one Abrams tank. Planting in California's wet soil was a major challenge. Benjamin Holt, one individual who went his own way, tried to solve this problem. At the time, the mining, building, and shipping industries all used railways heavily. Holt realized that his company couldn't expand as long as their tractor depended on the ground. He spent years perfecting an entirely new alternative to wheels to get his gigantic tractors moving. Holt had the mechanics take off the back wheels of his 40-horsepower Holt Jr. steam traction engine and replace them with a set of rails he had developed. Each shoe on the track was made from a 3x4-inch hardwood plank that was attached to a seemingly limitless chain. The mechanism redistributed the load of the machine onto rollers fastened to an auxiliary frame. With this new patent, the tractor's marketability increased, allowing for a wider range of applications. Benjamin Holt nailed down the trackside market. The D11 potentially utilizes a similar but more advanced track system. Benjamin Holt deserves credit for inventing the crawling undercarriage, but he didn't invent the dirt-pushing blade that turned these tractors into dozers. That patent is in the names of a farmer and a draftsman, James Cummings and J. Earl McLeod. These men worked together in 1923 to create a blade that could be mounted to the front of Holt's tractors. Holt Manufacturing and C.L. Best Tractor Company amalgamated 2 years later to form Caterpillar Tractor Company. Images depicting a huge, broad metal blade at the front. There are now 3 main types of blades in widespread usage. Among those are the U-blade, the S-blade, and the SU blade. There were a plethora of vendors peddling tailored blades for Caterpillar track tractors. However, the corporation started making its own dozer blades in early 1945. Recent models of this particular dozer have a rear bottom blade angle of 29.3 degrees with respect to the ground. This clearance angle further enhances the grading and loading capacities of the blade. In comparison to its rivals, the D11 offers numerous benefits. With the D11, the mainframe is cast from high-strength steel, providing overall structural support and dampening impact shock and bending stresses. Caterpillar uses vision-enabled welding robots to precisely measure the quality of welds. Once the frame is completed, the engine and transmission are attached. Dual tilt technology is standard on all heavy-duty dozers, and Caterpillar also has a similar system for their D1. One click of a button allows the user to establish the desired angle of the tilting level blade. This allows them to slice, move, or disperse from any angle. The D11 can be outfitted with Caterpillar's optional 3D grade control system. As a result, the operator's work becomes nearly automatic, and the grading process advances to a higher level. Multiple IMI sensors and a pair of global navigation satellite systems antennas form the backbone of the grade control system. More than 840 horsepower and 4,548 pound-feet of peak torque make the engine of the D11 the most powerful high-speed diesel one ever built. However, higher horsepower comes at the expense of increased fuel consumption. Caterpillar conceived a novel electric engine for all of its flagship dozers to address this challenge. The D11 XE is the most efficient dozer in terms of fuel consumption. The mechanical energy produced by its robust diesel engine is transferred to an electrical grid via a generator. Because electric motors are so much more responsive than mechanical gearboxes, this also provides great maneuverability, with no gear shifts required. However, there are even more important things than power. To keep the operator safe, a number of safeguards are integrated into the D11. An automatic engine shutdown and a fire suppression system work together to put out flames, and devices such as railings, sensors, and cameras are installed all around the apparatus. Its power ladder can be folded away when not in use, and the operator has a complete view of their surroundings through the numerous windows, mirrors, and screens. When the operator is not seated in the D11, the system detects this and locks the powertrain to prevent any errant motion. This system is also able to detect obstacles in its path and sound an alarm if they pose a threat. Wolf Group Wireless is the first business in Australia to use the wireless method of operation for this dozer. So far, they have sent 6 D11 dozers to a remote mining site where they can work without risking the lives of their employees while producing more reliable results. It can handle real-time changes in the mapping environment, allowing a single operator to control up to 4 machines. Caterpillar's goal is to have this monster machine operate completely independently eventually. The D11 is typically employed in the forestry industry's massive mining and quarrying projects. Because of this, transporting it from the place of production to its final destination, which is typically located far away, will be difficult. Getting anywhere in a D11 is much more work than with a Mini Cooper. Before being transported to most areas, it is partially disassembled and shipped on flat cars or trailers. From the mining sites of Australia to the construction projects of Europe to even the United States, wherever the work calls it, the D11 goes.